Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Sprite. In this video, we go to lesson 21 complex sprite movement. Okay, for the first puzzle, we go to instruction first, velocity and the counter pattern. Okay, using the counter pattern with sprite X and Y property to make a sprite move smoothly across screen. In this program, the counter pattern is being used with the sprite dot velocity x property instead. Okay, predicts what do you think will happen when the code is run, and why? When you're ready, you can run the code to find out. Okay, so you can see here we create a sprite called sprite1, and after that the sprite1 dot velocity x, it is set to sprite1 dot velocity x plus 0 dot 1, and this one is background and this one is draw sprite. Okay, and you can predict that the sprite1 will move from left to right and speed up because the velocity x is increased every time by 0 dot 1. Okay, so the sprite will move faster and faster. Okay, reset and run. Okay, you can see it. First is slow and after that it speed up like that. Okay, because we use the counter pattern with the velocity. Okay, finish it. Okay, we go to the next is velocity and the counter pattern. Okay, this program already make a car move across the screen, but it's going slowly, very slowly, by using the sprite dot velocity x property with the counter pattern. You can change the sprite speed during the program. Okay, do this. Use the counter pattern with the sprite velocity x property to make the car speed up. Okay, so you come down here. First, we can run to see the program. The car is very slow, and what you have to do is you use the car dot velocity x equal to car dot velocity x plus, you can set the number that you want, like 0 dot 25, like that. Reset and run. Okay, the car is speed up, and you can increase this number by 0 dot 5. The car is faster. Okay, like that. Okay, finish it. And next is falling rocks. Okay, the rock should speed up as it falls down the screen, and you can run it to see the rock is slowly like the car, like the previous puzzle. So what you have to do is you just change the velocity x to velocity y. So rock dot velocity y is no y, and equal to rock dot velocity y. Going down is you use the plus. Okay, 0 dot 5. Okay, reset and run. Okay, it fast like that. Okay, finish it. Okay, for this puzzle is slowing things down. Okay, the car is going to run into the water. You need to use the counter pattern to slow it down. Run. Okay, this end of the screen, the blue screen is the sea or the water. So what you have to do is you use the counter pattern with velocity again. So the car dot velocity x equal to car dot velocity x. You can use by minus 0 dot 5. Let's see. Oh, it's too fast. 0 dot 25, I think. It could be that. Okay, that's cool. And the car is moving slowly, and after that it go back. Okay, like that. Okay, finish it. Okay, now we have the sprite movement practice. Okay, you use the freezing bubble. Okay, A. So this program make a bubble raise up the water. Can you make it get faster? Okay, you can see it, run it slowly. So second simple, right? So you just update the bubble dot velocity y equal to bubble dot velocity y minus 0.25. Okay, that's cool. Its number is up to you. You can use bigger than that or 0.25. Okay, finish it. Another activity is slow down and reverse. Okay, like this picture at the top right is okay. Okay, slowing down and reverse. Okay, in this animation, a mouse run past a cat. Okay, run past a cat, and let's change it so that the mouse slow down, stop before reaching the cat. Then is a reverse directions, so to the right. Okay, so what you have to do is you come here and you can use a mouse dot velocity x equal to mouse dot velocity x. For the first is the mouse come from the left to right, so it is negative number. So in order to reverse that, you use the positive number. Okay, so you can plus 1. Let me try. Okay, that's cool. Like this picture. Okay, you use only one line. Okay, to update the mouse dot velocity. Okay, so finish it. Okay, finish this practice, and we go to the puzzle 6. Look like gravity. Okay, the rock is rolled in the air, but it never fall back down. Okay, use the code you have practiced to make the rock slow down and then fall. And try different number in your counter pattern to see what you like the best. Okay, you can see the rock is throwing up. Okay, and it's never come back. So you use the rock start velocity y again equal to rock start velocity y. For the first is from the top, from the bottom to top, it is negative number, and you have to use positive number for that. Okay, and now I use 1. Let's try and see. Okay, it really fast. 0.25. Okay, that's cool. It could be 0.2. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this number is the best for me. Okay, finish it. Okay, now we go to puzzle 7. We have 3 more activity. For the first one is curve. Okay, let's go and see what is that. Okay, the plan is going up to avoid the first spin. Okay, spy. Butterfly of screen in the draw loop update y velocity so that it's pulled down to avoid the second spy. Okay, so let's see. Try and run. Okay, like that. It off screen. So what you have to do is just update the rock. Oh no, the rock is update the plan dot velocity y to equal to plan dot velocity y is minus 0.25. Let's try and see. Oh, it's really fast. Oh no, it's not minus, it is plus because it's going down. Okay, not 25, it should be around 2. Okay, that's cool for this. Okay, use this only. Finish it. Okay, we go to the another one is B, deceleration. Okay, run and see. Okay, what you have to do is make the car slow to a half before it go past to the top of the screen. Okay, in the draw loop, update the car Y velocity so that it slow down. Use condition to prevent the car from moving backward after it stop. So this one you have to make the car dot velocity Y equal to car dot velocity Y, set it to be plus 0.25. Let's try and see. Okay, and after that, to prevent it, you have to check if car dot velocity Y it is bigger than 0, you have to stop the velocity. Okay, let's try and see. Okay, it is a little bit small for this number. Use 5. Okay, let's try and see. Okay, that's awesome for this. Okay, it stopped. It's not backward. Okay, for finish it. Okay, for the last one is free play. Use what you have learned to create whatever you want for this. So for me, I just want to make the two sprite, the two race car, one from the left and one from the right. Okay, now I chose this car and this car. Okay, and this one from the left and this one from the right, so I just flip it. Okay, now I have two cars here. So what I have to do is create the two sprite. For the first one is I name it car 1 and this one is car 2. Okay, for the first is should be start from minus 50 and this one is should start off screen is 450. So now I set its animation. Okay, car 1, set animation to car 1. Okay, car 2, delete this, and this one is car 2. Okay, like that. And after that I just set the car 1 dot scale. I use it like a little bit small, 0.2, and car 2 also dot scale. I use 0.2, and I need to draw a loop. Okay, and after that I need to draw sprite, and before draw sprite I have to use background with the color is Bollywood. Okay, let's try and see. Okay, nothing happened until you use the car1 dot velocity x equal to 1 and car2 dot velocity x is minus 1. Okay, to make it appear on the screen. Okay, it is like a bit slow, right? So what you have to do is to make it fast and touch each other, and after that it will backward. Okay, so what you have to do is you come here and check the update the velocity of the car 1 and car 2. Okay, car 1 dot velocity x equal to car 1 dot velocity x. You make it speed up by the number is should be around 0.25. Okay, let's try and see. Okay, this one is a little bit fast. Okay, another one is car2. Dot velocity x the same equal to car2 dot velocity x for this time is minus 0.25. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that you have to check if the car1 dot is touching car2, what will happen? Okay, you want something to happen is you just copy this code, okay, and paste it here. And what you have to do is just change the design, okay, this one to minus and this one to plus. Okay, like that. That is nothing happened. So I just cut this code, okay, and make another L option and parse it here. Okay, let's try again. Okay, still nothing happened, right? So I make this one a little bit fast. This one and this one. Okay, reset and run again. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, so this time I make this change to this. Let's try and see. Okay, that's cool. It's touch and backward, and after that it's come back like that. Okay. Okay, that's all for lesson 21 complex sprite movement. See you again in the next video.